Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro to 2015 Holden Captiva, stock number 7396. Run from the 1st 2011 to the 6th 2018. It's LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory American tyre, front bonnet. Left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory American tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory American tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory American tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,